20 Microns Nano Minerals, your trusted performance additive partner from 20 Microns Limited. Introducing Talc HFM 25SD, high aspect talc for clear PE films. It's spray dried and compacted for higher density processing. Controlled particle size delivers reliable anti-blocking and smooth dispersion. With a closely matched refractive index, Talc HFM provides low haze and outstanding film transparency. Its compacted structure offers superior dispersibility, reduced filter clogging, and improved processing consistency. The unique talc morphology enhances dart impact resistance, ensuring stronger and durable PE films. Tight particle size distribution minimizes large particles, delivering excellent anti-blocking. Across polymerization, films, packaging, and engineering plastics, it enhances clarity, stability, and productivity. At 40% talc loading, the formulation delivers superior FPV and improved MFI. Improved static and dynamic KOF at 40% talc loading. Compacted talc shows much higher loose bulk density than non-compacted talc. Our state-of-the-art research center drives innovation, ensuring superior testing, development, and technical excellence. 20 Microns, powering industries across India. With advanced manufacturing units, cutting-edge R&D centers, and a strong nationwide sales network, we deliver performance wherever innovation is needed. Visit 20microns.com, email us at inquiry@20microns.com.